warning for western Forsyth County until 9:30 p.m. At 8:37 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm over Clemens, or 5 miles southwest of Winston-Salem, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Quarter-sized hail and winds in excess of 58 miles per hour are likely with this storm. Locations impacted include Louisville, Winston-Salem, Townsend, Stanleyville, Rural Hall. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Please report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling 1-877-633-6772 or notify your local law enforcement agency. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following county: Forsyth County, North Carolina.